Hello, like-minded people. Welcome to my channel. I want you to feel at home, to feel comfortable here. Please remember to hit the like button when you come in. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment and tell a friend. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And please come back. You're always welcome. Thank you. Okay, we're going to take care of this pineapple that I cut off. And I watched a few videos. I had to do my research. So I watched about 3 of them. Then I came across Lead Farmer. And he kind of did it sort of the same way that 2 of them did. One put it directly in the soil. The other 3 videos that I watched, including Lead Farmer, used water, and Lead used distilled water. But the first mistake I made was cutting this off. You're supposed to gather it right here and twist it off. So I'm going to see if I can twist this off. There we go. We need this part. And then they peeled down several layers of these pineapple leaves. So I'm just going to take some layers off. I still might have too much of this pineapple on there. Pineapple pulp. So let's pull these on off. And it's possible they said that I might find some roots as I peel this off. So we're going to see. These little ones are a little tough. Maybe I don't mess with those. I'm just going to keep going around for about 1 inch, as Lead Farmer said. And the other one said 1 inch also. I don't see no roots though. Let me keep going. Take another layer off. I wonder if I'm supposed to get these little ones off. Let me see if I can pull them out. They're kind of tough. I can't get these little ones. I can't get them. So I'm gonna just keep going. And then on one of them, I saw that even if you don't have any roots showing, that it will grow some roots. So I'm gonna just go a little bit further, I guess. I don't see any roots, y'all. You see any roots? I don't think so. Let me keep going. I guess I'll put these leaves in my compost. I don't go up too far. I ain't gonna have nothing left. And then again, my jar might be too big. I might have to go in and get a different jar. I think that's as far as I'm gonna go, I guess. And I would have sit in there. Okay. So then all you do is, that looks like a root sticking out of here. Let me peel this one off. Let me see what's under here. Oh, it goes even further. See, that might be a root. Look at that. No, you know what that is? That's from the doggone tag. Okay. So let me put some distilled water in here. And actually, I'm gonna get a smaller, so I don't have to use so much distilled. I'm gonna get a smaller jar. Be right back. Okay, I got a smaller one. Save this for something else. So let me put some distilled water in here. And they say you just need to cover the root, the base. So I'm still going to have to fill it up a little bit. Maybe like that. Is that enough? I'm going to put a little bit more. And then change this water every couple days or when it gets murky. Okay. I think that's good. Let's see. I think. You know what? I don't know. It's not quite covering it, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this up more because I want some roots. Okay. Well, yeah, that's enough. For sure. Almost too much. Alright. I don't know how long this takes, but I'm going to sit it in a sunny window and let the roots do their thing. Okay? And then After that, it gets enough roots, then you put it in the soil. So I had already prepared a pot. I put some holes in the bottom of this one, and I'll put some dirt mixture in here, potting soil, and probably, I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out, and get that ready. So there you have it. So I put it right here in the windowsill. You get plenty of light and not direct light, because this is the back window. This faces southeast, but enough sunlight. We'll see how that does. And that was what's left of my sweet potato slips after some animal ate all the rest of them. So I've got roots coming on that, and that's citrus water. I think it was Miss Shirley OG to say soak your citrus rinds in water, and then you put it in a spray bottle and you spray it on your plants for bugs. I have to check with her. I did it anyway. It's gonna be for something. We'll see. And then these are some of my gladiolas that I'm drying out. I don't know if there's seeds in there. I don't know how you do that, but I'm drying them. We're gonna see. All right, that is all. That is all. This is supposed to be about that pineapple, right? It's about the pineapple. Pineapples, y'all. Pineapples. That's the safe word, right? Oh, bye. Thank you for watching. Peace and love. We'll see you soon. Put all this in the compost. Later, Gators.